welcome to my little awareness talk. I'll be with you for the next 5 minutes. My objective here is to highlight what exactly will you be learning on the November 8th to November 12th, 2021 on the topic of Industrial Cybersecurity Masterclass. Now, before I go ahead and discuss about this in great detail, I would like to highlight that this particular training basically underlines the entire critical service infrastructure within our Malaysian ecosystem and what are the examples of cyber threats that are available there. Now, for most of us who might have been on the industry for quite some time, you and I could possibly agree that the entire cyber attacks that is basically targeted on industrial control systems are becoming more and more rampant. And having said, would also contribute to a lot of other unforeseen circumstances and risks that in a way might even endanger human life. So my talk here, in other words, are basically on the aspects of what exactly can we actually implement to detect and manage such a risk that is targeted for ICS, Industrial Control System. Now, you could be running a water treatment plant, you could be running an oil and gas pipeline, you could have a wind farms, or you could even have communication system. Wherever you are, as long there are human factors or human impacted in this particular environment, hence we need to consider about the ICS security as a part of an important aspect that we must actually not take it for granted. In this particular training, the 5 key lessons that basically will be covered is the ICS itself, the design, the operation. What are the key considerations when you're designing industrial control systems? What are the architectural mistakes that people do? Network segmentations, and what are the security support services that are available to help you to achieve your objectives? We will be also looking into some of the angles of like event monitoring. We'll be looking into angles of topics such as malware, anti-malware applications, or endpoint security. But more importantly, we will be talking about how do we identify and counter against all the risks within a ICS ecosystem. We will be also looking about patch management and lifecycle management within ICS, not to be mistaken with the common system. ICS patch management and lifecycle management is not the same as how you would basically understand on a conventional system in a way. But I'm here to basically address about that. And of course, how do we control the entire design and evolution of ICS from the time of conceiving till the time of retirement, and how do we go about this? The 5 days training here will be involving very technical aspects of understanding. There will be labs, there will be simulation, there will be also some use cases and case studies that will be involved. All in all, in the 5 days of the training, you will be amazed with the kind of information that you will be getting, and you will be also amazed and taking back home the entire ICS architecture understanding, and you'll be able to perform your job better at the end of this particular 5 days workshop. With that, well, I would like to say I hope to see you in the 5 days workshop. Thank you so much. If there's any further questions, please kindly contact Quantum Back Management for further information. Thank you.